Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to find square of three-digit number in Vedic Math. In previous video, I have already explained you how do we find square of two-digit number, right? So you already know this equation. Suppose the number is A, B. A is one digit at the tens place, B is the digit at one place. And if we want to find out the square of A, what do we need to do is we need to write down the square of the first digit, then 2 times product of both the digits, and at the end the square of the digit which is at one's place, right? So we need to follow this formula. Here also we need to do the same procedure, but what do we need to do here is, let's say the number is 235. Now friends, it is three-digit number, right? So what I can do is, I can consider 35 as one digit. So this will become my B and this is my A. So I can see that my A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 35. So next what? Next step is we need to follow the same procedure, but there are certain changes. What are the changes as compared to the two-digit numbers that I will explain in the following method. So first we are going to write down a number which is 235. So square of 235. What did I consider? I considered these as just as one digit. So first, what do I need to do is I need to write down square of 2. Then I need to write down 2 times 35. Please keep this in mind. Not 2 times 3 times 5, okay? And last is we need to find out the square of 35. Right? So here, this is very simple. I can write down simply 0 for it. Even I can write 4. Now 2 times 35. 35 times 2 is 70. 70 times 2 is 140. So I can write down 140. Now you may ask the question, how to find out the square of 35? That we already did in the previous session. Still I am going to explain you further. We need to follow the same procedure. This will become 3 squares. So 9, I am going to write everything just as answer. Okay. 3 times 5 times 2, which is 30, and 5 times 5 is 25. So what do I need to do is I am going to write down 5 over here. 2 is going to add it. So this will become 32. So 2 and 3 as a carry. So the 1225, which is the square of 35. So I am having 3 divisions. This is my A square. This is my 2 times AB, and this is my B square. Now in the previous one, what did we do? We just wrote one digit number and then we considered another digit as carry, right? Now instead of considering just one number, we need to consider these 2 digits. We need to write them down over here. So this is 25. This 12 is going to be added with this 140. So it will become 152. So if I added 12, let me add them. Okay, so 152. So what do I need to do? I need to write them just 52 over here. This one will go as a carry, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So I can say that my answer is 55225. You can check this answer. Please friends, keep this thing in mind here. In case of the 2-digit number, we were just taking one digit down and another digit as a carry. Here we will write down two digits down and rest of the digits will go as carry. Let's take one more example. Our next number is 921. We need to find out square of 921. So what do we need to do? Here, first step is we will consider this 21 as B, right? So first I am going to write down square of 9. Then 2 times 9 times 21 and square of this 21, right? Friends, here this is quite simple. I can write it as 81, right? Now 2 times 9, 18, 18 times 21, which will become a little bit difficult. So rather than that, I can write down it as 42 times 9, right? I am going to regroup it, so it will become easier. Now in this case, what do we need to do is, square of 1 is 1, or you can say 0, 1. Square of 2 is 4, or you can write down as 0, 4. And 2 times 1, which is 0, 4 again, right? So this one is 1, 0 is added, so this is simply 4. And this 0 is added, so 441, right? So I can write down it as, and now we need to write down the product of 8, which is 9 times 2 is 18. So 1 has a carry, and 9 fours are 32 plus, sorry, 9 fours are 36 plus 1 is 37, right? So this is 378. Now what is next step? Next step is we need to bring this 41 down. So 41, 4 will go and it will be added to 85, and 4 to it will become 382. So I am going to write down 82 over here, and this 3 will be added with 81, so it will become 84. So I can say that my answer for this question, or square of the 921, is 848241. You can check it with calculator. Let's take one more example. Let's say next digit is 568. So we need to find out square of 568. So this will become A, this will be B. So what do I need to do is, I need to write down square of 5, then 2 times 5 times 68 and square of 68, right? So what we can do is square of 5 is 25. This is quite simple. 2 times 5, 10. So I can say this is 680. And next one is square of 68. So this will become my 64. This is 36, right? And 6 times 8 is 48 times 2, which is 96. So this 4 will go down. 6 is added. So this will become 102. So I'm going to write down 2, and 10 will go as carry, right? Because if I add 6, it will become 12 and 1. So 10 will go as carry, right? Don't forget this. So this will be 46. Now what is the next step? Next step is write down these 2 digits over here. So these are 24. 46 is going to be added with it. So 6, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 and 1 as carry. So 7 will go with this. And if I add 7 with this will become 32, right? So my answer is 322624. Now I'm going to assign you 2 questions. You just write by yourself and I will give you answers of the questions later. So these 2 are the questions. You need to find out square of 739 and 425. You can write by yourself and I will give you the answers. So your time starts now. You can take your time, and please, friends, don't cheat with yourself, okay? And be confident. Keep this thing in mind. It is a square, 2 times AB and B square, but 39 will be your B and 25 will be your B. Hi friends, answers are 5,46,121, which is square of 739, and square of 425 is 1,80,625. I wish you got the correct answers. You can verify it with calculator. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and this is really very helpful in your competitive exam because you don't need to do 3-digit multiplication by 3-digit multiplication, right? But if digits are more than 3, then what to do? We can go with one method like A times B square. If 4-digit number is there, then we can divide them into 2 groups. One digit is of 2 and another one is also of 2. But this is time consuming procedure, and we are going to follow some formulas, and we are going to have some tricks, but that we will do in the next session. So keep watching videos on my channel, and if you have really enjoyed this session, please friends, don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it by pressing the bell icon. And in the next session, it is going to be very interesting because we are going to do generalized formula for square of the any digit of the number. So wait till the next session. Thank you.